There's something magical in science. Every day is a journey, inspired by nature, designed by beauty, defined by experience, and driven by knowledge. We celebrate the power of ingenuity to constantly reinvent ourselves. Where people see just a molecule, we see the architecture of the future. And where people only see powder, we see a challenge to make history. That is why we trust science above all, to make progress for people's health and wellness. We believe that each of us can become a possibility for many lives. Look inside. There's the best of us.